What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. And thank God today I was able to hit $1,000 on all four accounts. As you can see, balance 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. All of them are 1,000 on four accounts. And I do have that 5 days of winning $200 or more already on my 6 days. And I'm really proud of myself, man. I had one two losing streak days, and I did upload a video yesterday, and I was a little bit upset and all of that because I didn't really follow my rules. And it is what it is. Trading, you're gonna have good days and bad days. You're gonna have losing days and winning days, and losing days are expected. The difference between a good trader and a bad trader is how to handle those losses and those losing days. I handled them pretty well. I locked my personal daily loss on those days and I just sit out. I didn't attempt to increase my personal daily loss to keep trading more or anything. I just respected whatever I have set for myself as a personal daily loss, accepted it, respect it, and commit to that amount, and just that's it. If I lock it, I lock it. I won't touch it ever. And it's been helping me, honestly. Um, so yeah, I lost for the past 2 days. I lost my personal daily loss. Today I was able to make $636 on each account, and totaling I think $2,500 or something like that. So yeah, today is one of the biggest days that I ever had, and I'll show you the trade execution today. I don't have a recording for my trade, but I will show you my trade execution. So let me go ahead and darken my my background here a little, and I'll show you quickly what I took. So coming into the day, I was pretty bullish. Why was I bullish? Because as you can see, those high or equal highs that I noted multiple times in my previous videos, we hit this one, we hit that one. After we hit that one, we dumped a little, right? And then we retracted all the way up. We retracted all the way up, and this came and we left a bullish fair value gap right here, as you see. So after we leaving this fair value gap, bullish fair value gap, I mean, I gotta be bullish. You can't be bearish, you know? So we tested it once and we went up. So I was bullish. Coming into the day, I was bullish, and we had news today. We had price index, and we came out, whatever. I don't care about the news. But what I care about is what did we do on the chart. So going here to the 5 minutes, this was the news. 7:30 my time, this is the news. This is what we did. Waked up, waked down, and then we dumped down. We dumped down where? Into the 4 hours bullish fair value gaps, taking all these sell side liquidities. And what did I see? And what made me believe and into taking this trade and expecting this? What made me take this awesome trade? I took 86.5 points out of the market today, which is amazing. It's awesome. It's really a blessed thing to do and to get. It's really blessed. This is the news wick right here, and this was my draw on liquidity, because this is the news wick. Was my news wick, and this was my draw on liquidity, reacting from 4 hour fair value gap, and we were bullish. We came here, I saw the 1 minute, this inverse right here. The problem with this inverse and why I did not take it after this candle, because this candle closed up here. So if I took my entry here, there is a big chance for the market to respect that bearish fair value gap and dump down. That's why I did not take it here. I waited and for this bearish fair value gap, because this was the important bearish fair value gap that was holding the price down. I took that bearish fair value gap, waited for it to break. After it broke, immediately jumped in with 6 contracts long. My stop loss was basically below this order breaker, below this breaker block for $22.25. And my target was all this up here, all the way up here, Newsweek. Why? Because that's the drawn liquidity. So we closed above, came back, retested from the inversion fair value gap, holding the price up, and we continued going up. Since I was targeting a large amount of points and a large profit target, I got in with 6. So my first scale was here on this level, the beginning of this bearish fair value gap, and the second 2 that I took off was at the end of the fair value gap where this order block is resting. And also this was a inversion fair value gap, so I was targeting taking off in kind of like in that area, so in case if we wicked in it and just kept going down, I would have gotten profit out of this trade. And my last 2 I took off was at the Newsweek, and look at this. Look how much more the price pumped after I got off this trade. Almost 100 points. So this is crazy, bro. This is absolutely crazy. One of the most easiest and less stressful, not stressful at all, one of the best executions and one of the best trades I've ever gotten this week so far. Ending the day, ending the week, the whole week green, and I'm really blessed to kind of have this curve right here. So starting off, I think 624 was a Monday, right? 624 was a Monday. I won $500, $580, one of my best days, and then following up with another 200, losing 2 days in a row, and then making my comeback with the biggest profit target and the biggest profit day that I ever gotten entirely on this whole account journey was $636, capturing an 86.5 points out of the market today. What a beautiful trade. It delivered beautifully, and look at this candle. I wish I could have recorded this, but I wasn't able to. Once this candle closed and this opened, it just immediately ran through the target. And look at this candle from here to here. That's almost a $30 movement candle on the 1 minute. That's crazy. And it just got me the profit target, or my target for the last 2 contracts that I had left. What a beautiful trade. Pretty happy with myself with this trade. I am really blessed. I thank God, and thank you all for motivating me for the past couple days with me uploading losing days and hitting my personal daily losses for the past 2 days. You guys been like giving me a lot of positivity and motivation to keep going, and this is just one day. Tomorrow will be better, tomorrow will be great, and thank you all for that. I really appreciate it. I hope you all are green for the week and for the day, and I wish you all the best of luck, the best of success in your journey, and we're in this boat together, and this journey is keep on going, baby, until I get my first ever payout from trading. It's going to be very exciting and very, very rewarding once I get there, I'm pretty sure. And I wish you all get to that point. I am red with investments. I invested about $5,000 or more, maybe $5,500 in this trading journey, and in this trading in general, and learning. And most of that money was from Forex, because of losing Forex accounts, and Forex accounts are very expensive. and transitioning to futures and being able to trade on Topstep X, which is the best trading platform ever created. I love. So for example, today, once I made the $636, I manually locked my accounts. I don't want to see those charts again for the rest of the day. So just lock me out, bro. So futures like these, small touches here and there, they're making the world a better place, to be honest. I mean, like, I'm just exaggerating, but I'm happy at the same time that I was able to overcome and kind of like recover from the past 2 days that I lost. So I mean, that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Relax if you are in a losing streak or in a losing week. If your week is red, don't stress about it. Just review what your mistakes are, and you will, I promise you, you will be able to get out of this rabbit hole. You will be able to quickly adapt and learn. If you are looking where your mistakes are, you'll be able to realize it pretty quickly, adapt on it, fix it, and you will be a better trader and a profitable trader from fixing your mistakes and looking where your mistakes are. If you are FOMOing in trades, if you are over leveraging, if you are not waiting too much for the setup to show and getting into not real setups, all these stuff, all of these issues, if you are able to realize it, if you are able to fix it, you'll become a better trader and a profitable trader before making money. You gotta fix those issues before you're making money. Because let's say, for example, if you are able to make thousands of dollars, if you have these issues, you're gonna make thousands of dollars in one day, and you're gonna blow millions of dollars the next day because of those mistakes. So just trust me on that. I am not perfect. I make mistakes here and there every once in a while. I gamble sometimes, and I get into bad setups sometimes because I want to try them. So I would suggest you, if you are one of those traders, maybe dedicate one full account just to that, to kind of like get your emotions out of it, out of you and in those accounts. So I mean, that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me through this journey. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you all. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.